We all have our own idea of what the universe really is. For some, it's that endless galaxy out there filled with stars and planets. For others, it's a higher power, or our gods watching over us. And then, there are some of us who just look up at the sky, not exactly sure what we're looking at, but feeling something bigger is out there. No matter what we believe, most of us agree on one thing. There's some kind of force or intelligence out there that's guiding us in some way. And a lot of us believe that if we could just figure out how to connect or align with this force, it could actually change our lives. Maybe even bring us the things we dream about. But here's the thing. That idea sounds great, but it's also super vague, right? A lot of times, we don't even know what we personally believe about the universe. There's just so much information, advice, and noise thrown at us from all directions, especially from the media, that it gets hard to make sense of anything. So how do we actually figure out our own beliefs about the universe? How do we cut through the confusion and really understand how to align with it in a way that helps us live the life we truly want? Here's the direction we're heading in this journey together. First, we're going to explore what the universe really is. Then, we'll dive into how we can connect and communicate with it, to receive guidance and direction. And finally, we'll learn how to align ourselves with the universe, so we can live a life that feels more in flow, more purposeful, and more fulfilling. Hi, and welcome to the Astrology Classroom, where life lessons are taught with simplicity, practicality, and some help from the stars. What is the universe? Let me introduce you to someone. This is a fish. Let's call him Fish. Now, fish lives in the vast, wide ocean. But here's the thing. Fish doesn't just swim around aimlessly. He senses things. He knows when the current is changing. He can feel when danger is nearby. He picks up on tiny vibrations, shifts in the water, the presence of other creatures, even without seeing them. Fish's survival depends on reading these signals. But more than that, his ability to thrive, to find food, to stay safe, to live in harmony with his environment, comes from his connection with the ocean. And here's the key. The ocean isn't just water. It's not just one thing. It's a living, moving system. That's right, it's a system full of currents, temperatures, energy patterns, living organisms, even invisible forces. It's a collective of everything in it, working together as one massive ecosystem. Now, take a moment to really think about that. For fish, the ocean isn't something separate or distant. He doesn't need to look up or reach out to find it. He's already in it. In fact, he is the ocean, and the ocean is him. He's a living, breathing part of a larger system. He's not outside of it. He's a component of it, constantly interacting with it, influencing it, and being influenced by it. We're a lot like fish. We live in our own ocean or system that is filled with forces, patterns, signals, and energies that we don't always see, but we can feel. Our ocean is our universe. And just like the ocean, the universe isn't just one big floating space. It's a collective field of matter, consciousness, energy, time, movement, and life. And just like fish, we are not separate from it. We are part of it. We are constantly interacting with this system, influencing it, and being influenced by it. But most times we are hardly aware of the interaction. The universe, like the ocean, is a living, dynamic system. Not a separate entity, but a vast network made up of countless components working in harmony. In any natural system, the ultimate objective is balance, growth, and thriving. Not just for one part, but for every part within it. The ocean constantly adjusts its currents, temperatures, and ecosystems to ensure that life continues to flourish. In the same way, the universe is always moving towards our survival, healing, expansion, and well-being. Even when we don't see it clearly, it's not working against us. It's always working with us and for us. Every shift, every challenge, and every opportunity is part of a greater design, helping us align, evolve, and thrive as part of the whole. So if fish can understand the ocean and respond to it, shouldn't we also learn how to understand our universe and respond to it too, so we may also grow and flourish? And that's the beautiful journey we're stepping into next. Discovering how to truly connect with the universe. Because once we start recognizing its signals and feeling its rhythm, something shifts within us. We stop chasing life and start flowing with it. So in the next lesson, we'll dive into just that. How to build a connection with the universe, how to tune into its signals, and how to let it guide you gently, like a current carrying you home. If that speaks to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you.